Yes, I know.
My turn?
Yes, ma'am.
Heavy.
It's all right. Good. Keep this clutch in. Okay.
That's the clutch.
Brake here on your right. Your gears are on the left. One down.
Okay.
Take off. You're going to give a little bit on the clutch. You're going to go a little bit here. Give a little go. How's it go?
Okay, a little give and a little go.
Yeah. Give it a little
I got it.
I mean, there's a lot of cool things about a bike, you know? Use less gas, no traffic jams, you park wherever the hell you want. At the end of the day,
Thank you.
chicks dig them.
You look so cute. Here's your question. Chicks dig them.
Yes, chicks dig this.
I'm ready